G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Same Kitchen. My name's Sam Lin. I am just a home cook who's really passionate about sustainability and save money by making things at home. And hopefully I can help you guys do the same in your own kitchen as well. This week's recipe is so simple and so easy to make. Everyone can make it at home. And it's got to do with cucumber. That's right, cucumber is so often used in pickles or salad. It's so refreshing and so tasty, also really healthy for you as well. And I'm going to show you how I make a Asian garlicky spicy cucumber salad. It's so easy but also super wholesome. Whenever I see cucumber, that's the first thing that comes to my mind. You nasty, I know what you're thinking. The cucumber salad is super wholesome and it goes so well with any rice dishes. It's just a great companion with any Asian food. I often make a container, pop it in the fridge, and it just goes in no time. And I can't wait to show you how to do that. Before we jump into the recipe, please smash the like button down below. It really helps promote my video and my channel. In return, I'm going to show you a picture of a giant cucumber. Thank you very much for doing that, and let's get cooking. Smashed cucumber salad, also called pai huanggua in Chinese, is a super refreshing salad to go with any dishes. To make it, we'll need a few very basic ingredients. For the exact measurement of the ingredients, please see the top left corner of the screen. We'll need garlic, cucumber, and chili for the main ingredients. For the salad dressing, or more like the seasoning of the salad in this case, we'll need 20 grams of soy sauce, 15 grams of sesame oil, 5 grams of salt, and 2 grams of MSG for 500 grams of cucumber. That's all of the ingredients to make our smashed cucumber salad. We'll put the ingredients aside and get started. First thing first, we're going to smash our cucumbers. Smashing the cucumbers will introduce more surface area for the seasoning to penetrate. Set a mixing bowl aside and we'll use it to mix our ingredients together. Grab one of the cucumbers and start pressing it down with your hand, or you can just use the side of a knife. Press it down gently and cucumber will start cracking open. If you got a big cucumber like I do, that sounds so wrong, but let's roll with it. You can turn it to the side and smash it even more. Once the cucumber is broken down, cut the tip of the cucumber off and cut it into 1 cm wide chunks. Put the cut up cucumbers into our mixing bowl and we'll do the same to our second cucumber. You can use as many or as few cucumbers as you wish, just follow the same weight ratio and you should be all sweet. Remember, always cook with the scale so you can up or downscale the recipe really easily. Once all of the cucumbers are cut up, an optional step is to salt our cucumber now and draw some moisture out of it. Next, we'll move on to our garlic. With 500 grams of cucumber, I'm putting 2 cloves of garlic in. The easiest way to peel garlic is by smashing it. The skin is tougher than garlic itself, so when the garlic is crushed, the skin can be easily peeled off. Also, a natural enzyme called allicin can be created by crushing garlic, and it's also really good for human body. Cut the garlic into slices and then into tiny chunks. You can use a garlic mincer or grater if you're lazy. Get the garlic in. Next, we want to add some kick to our salad. I'm using a bird's eye chili for the heat. You can use whatever is handy to you or skip it if you're not a big chili fan. Finally chop it and add it to our cucumber. Once all ingredients are in the bowl, we're going to add in 20 grams of soy sauce, 15 grams of sesame oil, 5 grams of salt, and 2 grams of MSG. MSG is what gives it an incredible umami boost and gives soul to the whole dish. It's also Uncle Roger's favorite. Hiya! Give the salad a mix, and it's pretty much done. This is one of those dishes that the flavor gets better after sitting in the fridge overnight. I normally pop it in a container and just snack it out of the fridge. There's nothing fancy about dishing this salad up. I had some for dinner the next day with some rice, seitan, and fried beans. So simple, but so delicious. The cost breakdown is as below. 2 cucumber at $1.33 a kilo is about 67 cents. 2 cloves of garlic is about 2 cents. 1 bird's eye chili is about 5 cents. 20 grams of soy sauce at $3.13 a litre is about 6 cents. 15 grams of sesame oil at $1.62 per 100 ml is about 24 cents. 2 grams of MSG at 80 cents per 100 grams is about 1 cent. Altogether, our cucumber salad costs us $1.05 to make. You can easily pay $5 to $10 for this at a restaurant. Alright guys, and there we have it. That's our cucumber salad, Asian style. Soy sauce, sesame oil, and MSG is essentially the holy trinity to some really nice and wholesome Asian flavor. The garlic and chili really just lift it up another level and then give it some really nice spice to it. I'm just going to dig in and give it a try. It's so refreshing, but at the same time, the flavor, the MSG, just makes it so wholesome. The flavor is exceptional. Whenever I find cheap cucumber, this is literally my go-to recipe. It's so quick to make. Leave it in the fridge overnight, the flavor just soaks in so well. And it's a really good companion with anything Asian. So here I've got some of my seitan that I cooked the other day, alongside with some beans, with some rice, and really just perfect for dinner. If you're still watching at this point, I really do appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and consider subscribing. I put out a new video on a weekly basis. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.